नमस्कार हजुर वेलकम टु हिमाल नेक्स्ट एउटा फरेक्स ट्रेडिङ ट्रेनिङ कम्पनी हो हामीहरू काठमाडौँ बेस्ड हो यो आई ओपनर सेसन भिडियो हो हामीहरू जति पनि अफरिङ गर्छु सिकाउनको लागि कति कति कोर्स छ इन्डिकेटर्सहरू छ फेरि किन ट्रेडिङ गर्ने साइड हसलको लागि ट्रेडिङ गर्ने जस्ट टु हेभ अ साइड इन्कम और हजुरले फुल टाइम ट्रेडिङ एज अ करियर बनाने त्यो सबै कुराहरू हामीहरू हेर्छौँ तो लेट्स स्टार्ट द भिडियो आई ओपनर भिडियो हो यो ओके नाउ वाइ एभ्री वान सुड लर्न फरेक्स और गोल्ड ट्रेडिङ किन सिक्ने बिकज के हुन्छ कि ट्रेडिङ एउटा यस्तो प्रोफेसन हो नि even if you are let's say हजुरको एउटा पसल छ या यो बिजनेसम्यान इन्जिनियर हो डक्टर हो इन्फ्लुएन्सर हो हजुरहरूको ट्राभलको या इभन स्टुडेन्ट्स फर द्याट म्याटर यो एउटा यस्तो प्रोफेसन हो एउटा यस्तो स्किल हो which will always be helpful to you always किनकि let's say आज तपाईँको स्वास्थ्य राम्रो छ यो यङ यु फलो योर प्यासन तपाईँहरूको प्यासन तपाईँहरू फलो गरिरहेछ तर दे वुड बी अ टाइम when you will retire you will get old and things like that त्यति बेला पनि जब तपाईँ रिटायरमेन्टको पछि गड फरबिड अलिकति स्वास्थ्यमा कोही इस्यु आयो भने पनि when you cannot do other jobs भनौँ तपाईँ आफ्नो प्यासन फलो गर्न सक्दैन आफ्नो कामको ट्रेडिङ एउटा यस्तो प्रोफेसन हो जो त्यति बेला पनि तपाईँ एउटा फोन हातमा लिएर इन्टरनेट अनि एउटा ब्रोकर अकाउन्टको थ्रु तपाईँ फाइनेन्सियल फ्रिडम पाउँछ So that is the most important thing. Trading financial freedom launch. Sikepachi. Not out of 100, almost 93 people lose money. But they lose money because they don't know what trading is. हामीहरू यहाँ आएको हामीहरू सिक्ने राम्रोसित सिक्ने ट्रेडिङ इज अ साइन्स त्यो पनि हेर्छौँ हामीहरू हाउ टु अप्रोच ट्रेडिङ एज अ साइन्स हाउ टु गेट इन टु दिस profession as a science with proper process management, money management, mind management. So this is a process. It's a very disciplined process. So if we learn that, हामीहरू सिकेपछि फेरि हामीहरू त्यो 93% आउँदैन के लस मान्छेहरू जिनीहरू लस गरिरहेछ विल कम इन द्याट 7% अफ पिपल हु अर्न मनी एन्ड द्याट इज वाट हामीहरू यता सिक्नको लागि आएको प्लस के हो सेकेन्ड पोइन्ट लो एन्ट्री ब्यारियर टुडे नेपालमा बसेर हामीहरू एउटा प्रफ फर्ममा $100 सँगै पनि हामीहरू आफ्नो ट्रेडिङ जर्नी स्टार्ट गर्न सक्छ सो एन्ट्री ब्यारियर चाहिँ ठुलो होइन बिकज सी ट्रेडिङ पनि के हो एउटा इट्स लाइक युआर एन एन्टरप्रेनर राइट आई मिन प्रफिट लस हुन्छ यसमा इट्स लाइक अ बिजनेस तो एनी अदर बिजनेस हो त्यसमा एन्ट्री ब्यारियर ठुलो हुन्छ इन्भेस्टमेन्ट चाहियो इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर चाहियो मान्छेहरू चाहियो देयर लट अफ थिङ्स बट दिस इज वान प्रोफेसन वान बिजनेस एज एन एन्टरप्रेन्योर तपाईँको लो एन्ट्री ब्यारियर हो $100 यु क्यान स्टार्ट विथ द प्रोफर्म यु क्यान स्टार्ट योर ट्रेडिङ जर्नी अनि फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी र फ्रिडम छ फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी फ्रिडम के हो घर बसेर काम गर्ने you love to travel गर्दा काम गर्नु सक्छ तपाईँ you can still earn money plus as I said if there is something that you follow your passion तपाईँको पसल छ you're a doctor you're an engineer you work in a company you can still do trading as a side hustle this is a part-time thing which you can still have as a side income from so this has that potential. Plus, you can also become a full-time trader. So that's once you have learned properly, you can always look at that opportunity to become a full-time trader because there are a lot of benefits which come with trading. Like you are your own boss. You don't work under anybody. Client dealing hundaina, you don't have to sell products, and you don't have to create projects and deliver you don't have to look into any other than yourself. You have to have believe in yourself, your study, your process. With discipline, you are your own boss. That's one of the very interesting and good points about being a full-time trader, that I'm my own boss and I earn money as per my wish. Personal growth, uh, plus practical life skill. Why practical life skill? There are a lot of things that we learn in as a trader. It's just not the process कसरी trade लेने करेगा. We learn mind management. We become better humans. हामीहरू human management सीख चुके हैं. हामीहरू because those are very important points. We'll see अहिले अगाडि. Those are very important points. So we become a different person altogether. We become we understand the importance of money. We understand the importance of being in a happy state of mind, how to keep myself happy, doing self love, because त्यो सबै कुराहरू is more important, I would say, than तपाईँको ट्रेडिङको प्रोसेस. किनकि पैसा हो नि त, त्यो पैसा हाल्दाखेरि ट्रेडमा फियर आउँछ, ग्रिड आउँछ, excitement आउँछ. So if you start doing self-love with a lot of confidence, a lot of discipline, self-belief, then you become a good trader. So if you're becoming a good trader, you're automatically becoming a good human also, and specifically for yourself, So those are few important things. Why forex market? Why forex market? Because see, के हुन्छ, forex market एउटा global market हो. Forex market मा के हुन्छ, lot of central banks of countries, ठुलो countryहरूको central bankहरू तिनीहरू participate गर्छ. Very large organizations, financial institutions, large banks, large hedge fund companies, तिनीहरू participate गर्छ. So के हुन्छ, this for example, let's say US dollar. अब unlike other symbols, unlike other categories like let's say cryptocurrency or त्यो सबै, त्यहाँ कोही पनि माई बाप होइन. यहाँ पे यिनीहरूले, these guys, they come in, the central bank will come in and work on the dollar so that the dollar does not move here and there randomly. जस्तो क्रिप्टोमा हुन्छ, कहिलेको 1,20,000 जान्छ, कहिले 20,000 आइहाल्छ. So that's a very crypto is not a good thing, because there is कोही पनि छैन त्यसको माई बाप. यहाँ के हो, यहाँ सेन्ट्रल ब्याङ्कहरू छ, कन्ट्रिजको सेन्ट्रल ब्याङ्क हो. I mean US central bank, they get involved, European countries को central bank, because they don't want their currency to go here and there. किनकि पुरो वर्ल्डको इकोनोमी फिर अलिकति इम्प्याक्ट भइहाल्छ नि, रङ इम्प्याक्ट हुन्छ. So it's a steady market. So it's a very good market to do trading. It's a stable market. इसीलिए forex, gold अलिकति आजभोलि मिसबिहेभ गरिरहेछ, तर गोल्ड पनि राम्रो, because gold is something which the world depends on. So again, the gold will not be going here and there too much. Somebody would be, even if it is going like it almost went 25% last month, that it could have gone 50-60% also. So somebody actually hold it back to 20-25%. So there are central banks, there are large institutions who control the volatility of these markets, because see, the entire world economy is dependent on the currencies and the gold. So nobody would want it to just become like त्यो के हुन्छ नि, त्यो पागल जस्तो हिँड्ने त्यस्तो हुँदैन नि. So people do control them. So these are two good markets to work on. Technological advantage, because sitting here you can with a phone you can do a lot of things. You don't need a lot of large infrastructure. तपाईँ फरेक्स ट्रेडिङ गर्न सक्छ स्केलेबिलिटी विल कम टु द्याट पोइन्ट अन स्केलेबिलिटी कम्पाउन्डिङ एउटा कुरा हो त्यो तपाईँ आई मिन वन्स यु स्टार्ट गेटिङ प्रफिट्स you can convert the profits into your capital, and then you have a multiplier effect. तपाईँ multiplier effect मा तपाईँ grow गर्छ के त्यो scalable छ. I mean you can immediately scale yourself up. You can immediately scale yourself from being from $100 entry point to say $1,000 or $10,000 entry point. So it's very interesting from the scalability perspective. And why everyone should at least learn it. See, this is a life skill. At least you should know, that you have a backup in life. Ajubali, world economics, world politics, and the strategic world, alliance ma economy माथि त लगाइरहेछ कहिले त्यो war भइहाल्छ त फेरि त्यो तपाईँको oilमा problem, gasमा problem. So so that actually impacts a lot of other things in our life. त के हुन्छ if we have an additional skill which is an earning skill. So it's always good to have one earning skill, and this is a life skill, as I said. यो एउटा skill बेस्तो हो तपाईँको till your last breath in life. It'll help you, So it's a good skill to learn. All right? Okay. So why everyone should learn Forex? I already said, I mean, it is always a good tool. It's a life skill that we must get into this. Even from the perspective of के हुन्छ कि मेरो एउटा passion छ मेरो एउटा काम छ मेरो एउटा way of earning money छ तर एउटा backup पनि पाएँ नि म त्यो एउटा backup पनि हुन्छ. The backup could be used as and when required for side income. Who knows, if I do better in this as an income source, I might switch from what I do. तो ल मेरो पसल छ या मेरो म प्रोफेसनल हो या म इन्जिनियर हो या म इन्फ्लुएन्सर हो, I can always get into full-time trading if my trading becomes better, because trading can give you a lot of abundance. त्यो राम्रो कुरा हो हजुर. So we must all learn trading. Okay. Now, as I said, trading science हो हामीहरू I will not use that word. I'll just write it down here. हामीहरू के गर्छ नि, most of the people think it to be this. म वर्ड किन युज गर्दिनँ, मेरो स्ट्राइक आइहाल्छ च्यानल्समा. So it is not that. It is definitely not that. This is pure science. And I will give you few examples that how this is science. And हामीहरूले अप्रोच पनि ट्रेडिङ को एज अ साइन्स गर्ने हो. साइन्स के हुन्छ? साइन्स is proven concepts, repeatable concepts. It has a backing of logics. ट्रेडिङ पनि त्यस्तै हो हजुर. लजिक छ यसमा प्रुभन स्ट्राटेजीज हुन्छ के, how they work, how they move. So this whole thing is science. Now, be it human science, for example, human science में क्या हुन्छ? Mass psychology is human science. Greed, fear, emotions is science. Mathematical science, statistical science, एउटा standard deviation हुन्छ. I'll give an example. I'll show you. Next slide. Standard deviation हुन्छ. Statistics होती हो. How the price moves in statistics. Economic science. आज किन त्यो तपाईँको डलर प्राइस माथि गइरहेछ? Because of oil. There is definite economics behind it. Science हो. Business science. Business science के हुन्छ यसमा? All the large institutions, when they come, why they come, and when they come to make money. So if they're making money, they're applying some science behind, some business plan, some business strategy. So that is happening. त्यो तिनीहरू पैसा कमाइरहेछ, फ्लुकमा त कमाइरहेको होइन नि. They know what they're doing. तिनीहरू थाहा छ कुन चाहिँ स्ट्राटेजी युज गर्ने, कसरी युज गर्ने, मार्केटले कसरी अप्रोच गर्ने हो. That is all science that they apply. त्यो पनि हामीहरू सिक्छौँ. How institutions work. For example, time and pattern as a science. हामीहरू सबैलाई थाहा छ एउटा इकोनोमिक टाइम जोन हुन्छ 18 yearsको कसरी हुन्छ त्यो it is a repeatable science. It is happening for last 300 years. How come every 18 years there is an economic downturn and an upturn? कसरी हुन्छ त्यो? It's because it's science. There is something called as an exhaustion of the market. There is something called as the the breadth of the market achieved. Then it will come back. It's like rubber band हुन्छ तपाईँ तानेपछि के हुन्छ after a time it will break, or if you leave it will go back. Science हो नि everything works like that. Everything moves into the mean. Mean माने के average. Law of averages is science. हामीहरू यता पनि law of averages use गर्छौँ. It's science. So when in the course I have a whole chapter on this, on all these points, how to approach them as a science. What are the tools that we have? हामीहरूको पास के टूल छ, indicators के छ, strategies के छ, study को material के छ, how to use the science in our trading. And I'll let me show you one couple of examples. Let me show you human science first, okay? ल हेरौँ त एकछिन दिनु न. Okay, let me show you something. I mean, there's something called as trend line. We will learn that in the course, but there's something called as a trend line. Okay, now let's see. There's a trend line here. Good. Now this trend line, this here, I'm drawing something. Okay, now see. अलिकति ठुलो गर्दुमा स्क्रिनलाई ल अब हेर के हो यता के भइरहेछ यता I'll just refine this trend line a little bit. Okay, fantastic. अब के हो यो यसले एउटा ट्रेन्ड लाइन भन्छ. ट्रेन्ड लाइन के हुन्छ द ट्रेन्डमा एउटा लाइन तानेपछि त्यो ट्रेन्ड लाइन हुन्छ. बट वाट इज द पोइन्ट टु मेक हियर? एउटा कुरा हेर्नुहोस् त, यो ट्रेन्ड लाइनमा एउटा स्ट्रेट लाइन हो नि यो, अनि यो स्ट्रेट लाइनको तल कहिले पनि प्राइस आएन. यता आए, अलिकति आए, फेरि यता टच गरे, इसीमा टच गरेर माथि गए, फेरि टच गरेर माथि गए, फेरि एकचोटि फेरि टच गरेर माथि गए, फेरि अल्टिमेटली ब्रेक गरे तल. तर यो पुरा एरियामा, यति एरियामा यो जो ट्रेन्ड लाइन छ स्ट्रेट लाइन हो नि, यो लाइन को बनायो? Who is making this line? Who is making this line? This is Euro USD को chart. Euro USD is the top forex symbol. दुनियाभरको मान्छेहरू Euro USD मा काम गर्छ. Institutions, central banks, just name them, they work. तो के एउटा कोही व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप छ जसमा यिनीहरू भन्छ कि अरे यो लाइनको तल हामीहरू जान्दैन. till the time we are here, till the time we are here, हामीहरू तल लाइनको जान्दैन. कोही व्हाट्सएप ग्रुपमा तिनीहरू कुरा गर्दैन नि. को लाइन बनाउँछ यो? This is mass psychology as a science. यो mass psychology हो. There is fear here, there is greed here, there is news impact here, there is economics impact here. Economics is a science, emotions, mass psychology is a science. त्यो सबै into play हो यता. And that is the universal law which makes this straight line. So we have to approach this as a science. It is not a fluke. Next thing. Next science. Standard deviation कुरा गरे म यो तपाईको statistics मा, statistics as a science. Which let's see what do I mean by that. ल एकछिन. Okay, let me one thing, sorry. Okay. So more chart, I'll show you something on chart. Okay, one second. Let me copy something here. ल अब हेर्नुहोस्, यो स्ट्यान्डर्ड डेभिएसनको बेल कर्भ हो. You don't have to get into KOYO. You don't have to get into what is the science behind. You know, हामीहरू स्कुटी चलाउँछु, स्कुटी कसरी काम गर्छ हामीले वी डोन्ट नो, नीड टु नो हो. हामीले चलाने हो नि, त्यो त्यो द्याट इज वाट वी नीड टु नो. सो हामीहरूले यो स्ट्यान्डर्ड डेभिएसन के हुन्छ, बेल कर्भ के हुन्छ, नर्मल डिस्ट्रिब्युसन के हुन्छ, मसिन लर्निङको बेस कन्सेप्ट हो यो स्ट्याटिस्टिक्समा, साइन्स हो. तर हाउ डु वी युज दिस साइन्स इन ट्रेडिङ? ल हेर्नुहोस् त, पहिला पहिला बुझ्नुहोस् क्विकली के हो यो स्ट्यान्डर्ड डेभिएसन. के हुन्छ स्ट्यान्डर्ड डेभिएसन इज समथिङ, ओके, जस्ट रिमेम्बर स्ट्यान्डर्ड डेभिएसन. तर वाट इज द एप्लिकेसन हामीहरूको के हो यो मिन हो, मिन जिरो हो, ए बिचको पोइन्ट. अब यो -1 स्ट्यान्डर्ड डेभिएसन, यो +1 स्ट्यान्डर्ड डेभिएसन, त यो 1 स्ट्यान्डर्ड डेभिएसन हो, 1 स्ट्यान्डर्ड डेभिएसनको जोन हो. के भन्छ साइन्स? 1 स्ट्यान्डर्ड डेभिएसनको जोनमा 68% डेटा हुन्छ. डेटा के हो? डेटा पोइन्ट्स हो. यो के हुन्छ डेटा पोइन्ट्स? डेटा पोइन्ट कुड बी एनिथिङ. All the countries' government, okay, they use standard deviation bell curve, normal distribution to calculate GDP of the future. Population कति ग्रो हुन्छ भोलि, हामीहरूले कति अनाज चाहिए त हाम्रो पपुलेसनको लागि, सप्लाई डिमान्ड के हुन्छ हामीहरूको for housing. That entire future planning is done basis of this. One of this, including in science projects, in astronomy projects, NASA, space projects में पनि तपाईको बेल कर्भ युज हुन्छ. तो डेटा पोइन्ट्स हो. फर एक्जाम्पल कोरोना आए थी. Now using bell curve, the government will plan if tomorrow something comes like corona, how much prepared they should be for casualties. The standard deviation bell curve use गरेर क्याल्कुलेट हुन्छ. ओके, सो नाउ डेटा पोइन्ट्स हो. सो 1 स्ट्यान्डर्ड डेभिएसनमा के भनिरहेछ? 68% डेटा पोइन्ट हुनुपर्छ. आउँछ, इट कम्स इन होइन. 1 स्ट्यान्डर्ड डेभिएसनको भित्र 68% डेटा पोइन्ट हुन्छ. यो 2 स्ट्यान्डर्ड डेभिएसन हो. यति 2 स्ट्यान्डर्ड डेभिएसनको अंदर 95% डेटा पोइन्ट्स आउँछ. 95% डेटा पोइन्ट्स 2 स्ट्यान्डर्ड डेभिएसनको भित्र हुन्छ के. -2 +2 को भित्र हुन्छ. Don't worry, अभी application we'll see. And then there is 3 standard deviation को zone. 3 standard deviation में 99.7% data points भीतर आउँछ उसको. 99.7% data points. हामीहरू को लागि data point के हो trading में? Price. So ये chart में if I know and if I can plot 3 standard deviation को zone, तो मलाई थाहा छ नि कि त्यसको भित्र 99.7% प्राइस आउँछ. बाहिर कति गए? ओन्ली 0.3%. हो, let it go. I am in control of 99.7% of the data of price movement if I know standard deviation. ल अब हेरौँ how we can use standard deviation. Okay, एकछिन. Don't have to get into the science. Standard deviation कसरी यूज गर्ने त्यो मेरो हेरेर छु ल. Okay, now let me move this. Same chart मा एउटा मेरो indicator छ. We'll talk about that indicator also, and let me pull out standard deviation from this. So अब हेरो एउटा मेरो यसमा एउटा मुभिङ एभरेजको स्ट्यान्डर्ड डेभिएसन बनाएको. तो म के गरेँ? एउटा 1.98% स्ट्यान्डर्ड डेभिएसन, 2.58 and 3.09 यो टेस्टेड स्ट्यान्डर्ड डेभिएसन हो. दिस इज व्हाट आई एम अप्लाइङ. नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट ह्यापन्स विथ दिस. 3टा स्ट्यान्डर्ड डेभिएसन भयो. हाउ साइन्स कम्स इन्टु प्ले इन ट्रेडिङ. पहिला मास साइकोलोजी हेरेँ हामीहरू. अब हामीहरू स्ट्याटिस्टिक्स मसिन लर्निङको कन्सेप्टहरू हेरिरहेको छु. हाउ द्याट कम्स इन. ल यो ब्यान्डहरू त्यो 3टा ब्यान्ड हो के थियो हामीहरूको 3टा ब्यान्डमा? 3टा ब्यान्डमा थियो. द लोएस्ट ब्यान्ड इज 1.98 स्ट्यान्डर्ड डेभिएसन. त्यो मिडल ब्यान्ड इज 2.58 and then 3.09 to माथिको band, to this entire band. Okay. अब हेर, only few places the price is moving away out of the band. That 0.03%, which is out of 3 standard deviation. तर everything is inside 3 standard deviation. हेर, हो गयो ना? Everything is inside 3 standard deviation. तो हामीहरू थाहा छ, if it is inside 3 standard deviation, अब 99.7% डेटा त्यति त्यो स्ट्रेच गरेर फेरि वापस आउँछ. इफ दिस इज 3 स्ट्यान्डर्ड डेभिएसन, त यता पुगेर माथि गए फेरि, किनकि यसको त लाउन सक्दैन नि, बिकज स्ट्यान्डर्ड डेभिएसन 99.7% has reached its end point. So it will turn. Science being used for trading. No fluke. Know that word, GMBLING. Pure science being used. ल आगे हेर त, हेर्नुहोस् त खै. Okay. Okay, let's see. I mean, there's so many examples. यता आयो स्ट्यान्डर्ड डेभिएसन माथि गयो, ठिक है. ल अब हेर, यता स्ट्यान्डर्ड डेभिएसन गयो तल आयो. अरू हेर्नुहोस् त. I mean, you go on seeing, you will find these things everywhere. Standard deviation. अर्को एउटा अरू स्ट्यान्डर्ड डेभिएसनको एक्जाम्पल I'll show you. Okay. So you have to understand, this is science. You're rolling VWAP हुन्छ, यसमा पनि 1.98, 2.58, 3.09 को standard deviation. ल अब हेर, this is another calculation using standard deviation. कता हो त्यो स्ट्रेच, यता स्ट्रेच भए तल आयो मार्केट, यता टच गरे माथि गयो मार्केट. Science. We don't trade like this. We use this for our trading process. बुझ्नुभयो? So trading is science. Mass psychology, standard deviation. So there are a lot of things that we can use, you know. So let's go back to our. So trading is science, and only science. It is process, discipline, everything within science. So हामीहरू Himal Next ma, we approach trading as science, and we teach from a scientific perspective how to use science inside, keeping everything in mind, the market scenario, the availability of taking opportunities, त्यो सबै कुराहरू with the perspective of science. ल, okay. Now, very interesting. I just spoke about that 93% people, mancheru, they lose money, and only 7% of mancheru, they get profits. Kina? Because these people think यिनीहरू लाग्छ कि यो साइन्स होइन भाइ, मार्केट भागिरहेछ त म पनि जान्छु, प्राइसले चेज गर्ने, इमोसनमा काम गर्ने, होइन त्यस्तो. यो मान्छे प्रफिट बनाउँछ, किन बनाउँछ प्रफिट? He knows the science. He knows the process. He knows emotion राम्रो कुरा होइन. पहिला नियम, detach from emotion if you want to be a successful trader. It is important, absolute important. Emotion लिएर ट्रेडिङ गर्न सक्दैन. You will lose money. Detach from emotion. Detach from money. एउटा कुरा, I'll give an example. अब म I speak to a lot of people. म कुरा गर्छु थुप्रै मान्छेहरू. Every time I ask one question, म एउटा क्वेसन सबैले एउटा सोध्छु के, why do you want to do trading? एउटै आन्सर आउँछ, पैसा कमाउनको लागि. And those people will always lose money. कुन काम यस्तो हो, हजुर भन्नुहोस् त, कुन काम यस्तो हो जहाँ तपाईँ काम गर्छ अब पैसा पाउँदैन? You are an influencer, you are a doctor, तपाईँ engineer हो, पसल छ तपाईको पास, businessman हो तपाईँ, model हो, actor हो, प्रोफेसनल हो, engineer हो, कुन काममा पैसा आउँदैन? पाउँछ नि पैसा? बिजनेसम्यान हो त प्रफिट आउँछ, काम गरिरहेछ त स्यालेरी आउँछ, तपाईँको फार्मिङ छ त त्यसमा पनि पैसा आउँछ सेल गरेर एज अ बिजनेस। कुन काम हो जसमा पैसा आउँदैन? त म कहिले कहिले have you ever heard talking to an engineer or a doctor saying किन डक्टरी गरिरहेछ तपाईँ? Never people will say पैसा कमाउनको लागि. That is my passion. I am there because of my passion. I'm a doctor because I wanted to help people. I wanted to serve people. म मान्छेहरूको लागि काम गर्न चाहन्छु, मेरो प्यासन हो त्यो। engineer, I love science, I love engineering, I love creating buildings, mechanical engineer or any kind of engineer or software engineer. म प्रोग्राम मतलब सफ्टवेयर राम्रो लाग्छ। मोडल हो मेरो मोडलिङ राम्रो लाग्छ, मेरो प्यासन हो त्यो। म मोडल बन्ने थिएँ, मलाई एक्टर बन्ने थिएँ, मलाई इन्फ्लुएन्सर बन्ने थिएँ। नेभर कहिले पनि तपाईँ सुन्दैन यिनीहरू मान्छेहरूको मुख छ फ्रम द माउथ कि म पैसा कमाउनको लागि इन्फ्लुएन्सर बनेको, म पैसा कमाउनको लागि म डक्टर बनेको, म पैसा कमाउनको लागि म मोडल बनेको। फेरि ट्रेडिङमा आउँदाखेरि किन तपाईँहरू यो भन्छ कि म पैसा कमाउनको लागि ट्रेडिङ सिक्ने हो मैले? That is where these 93% people come in. They're the people. When they say पैसा कमाउनको लागि म ट्रेडिङ सिक्न, पैसा मार्केटमा दिन्छ फेरि यिनीहरूले। They get into the loss. Why? Because detached from money. This is one job. This is one profession. यो यस्तो काम हो जहाँ everything is money ना। As a doctor, तपाईँ पेशेन्टको सँगै काम गर्छ। As an influencer, तपाईँ कन्टेन्टहरूको सँगै काम गर्छ के। But as a trader, तपाईँ मनीको सँगै काम गर्छ। So it is so important to detach from that money. Talk to any surgeon, doctor. A surgeon cannot operate on a patient if he loves him, if he's his own relative. हाथ काप्छ के? He has to detach his emotion to do surgery. So you as a trader have to detach from money. Because money will bring in emotions of greed, fear, excitement, to सबै कुराहरू. And you will not follow the process. इसीलिए it is important to detach from money, detach from emotions. Lo? So that is something very important. Okay. 3 pillars of success. Very, very important. This is the 3 pillars of success that we talk about. One is method. हामीहरू यता सिक्छौँ method के हुन्छ. It is about 30%. 15 to 30% हुन्छ के max 30%. Entire trading को process मा this is about 30%, maximum 30%. Then there is money management. About 20%, 15 to 25% जस्तो त्यो मनी म्यानेजमेन्ट छ। फर इक्जाम्पल के हो, तपाईँको पास $100 छ, अब $100 लिएर तपाईँ $100 को रिस्क लिन सक्दैन नि एउटै ट्रेडमा। बिकज यो ट्रेडिङ हो, इट्स अ बिजनेस, लस पनि हुन्छ प्रफिट पनि हुन्छ। यु क्यान नट अलवेज बी प्रफिटेबल एन्ड यु क्यान नट अलवेज विन, यु विल ह्याभ टु लुज अल्सो। आजसम्म दुनियाँको सबभन्दा ठुलो ट्रेडर पनि लस लिएको। There is not a single trader in the world who can claim कि म कहिले पनि लस लिएन। It's part of the business, it's part of the process. तो अगर तपाईँको पास $100 छ प्रोफर्ममा, तो एउटै ट्रेडमा तपाईँ $100 हाल्न सक्छ? सक्दैन। What if you lose? You're dead, you're out of the business. तो मनी म्यानेजमेन्ट आउँछ, रिस्क म्यानेजमेन्ट आउँछ त्यसमा, कति स्टॉप लॉस राख्ने, कतिको रिस्क लेने, कति क्यापिटल डिप्लोय गर्ने पर ट्रेड, डिपेन्डिङ अन कति तपाईँको पास. सो लेट्स से $100 त आई क्यान म्याक्सिमम डिप्लोय लेट्स से $10 or $5. Or I can risk $1 per trade. $1 or 50 cents max. So that is money management. But even beyond these two, money management and method management, mind management is most important. Emotions, detached from emotions, detached from money. There is no scope of emotions in trading. You have to be like a robot. Why? The robot follows a process step after step. Emotions will not let you follow that process. Fear, greed, excitement, a lot of things. Emotional instability also. Not good. Mind ma garbage bhai के not good. So there are a lot of processes that we will train you on. Like there's something called as 12 healths. Very important 12 healths. पूरा YouTube मा कता पनि जानुस् कोही पनि 12 हेल्थ को कुरा गर्दैन, and specifically in trading. And this 12 health is as a process can be applied anywhere, as in your daily life, in your business, in your job. Here we will learn for trading. Just to give you one example. One of the health, I mean, we know two healths, na? The physical health, mental health. Titiyo? Physical health ke garche hum gym, dieting, yoga. Mental health ko lagi meditation, music, nature walk, some passion, music. There are 10 more healths which are equally important. One of them I want to talk is romantic health. Now, how romantic health, first, what is romantic health? It is your relationship with your spouse or your partner. Buda budi, girlfriend, boyfriend, even sathiyaru, very close friends. That is romantic health. Kina, if, for example, तपाईँको बुढीले या तपाईँको बुढाले or your girlfriend or boyfriendले तपाईँले झगडा भए, some fight भयो के, अनि उहाँले तपाईँले she said something wrong. कति इम्प्याक्ट गर्छ त्यो माइन्डमा? गर्छ नि? कि उफ. Now sit down with that emotion to trade. Can you? Will you be able to take the right trade? Will you be able to study the market properly? You cannot. यहाँ त त्यही छ नि के बुढीले मैले यार गलत सलत भनिदिए तो या म गलत गरिदिए अब म कसरी बुढीले मनाऊ त्यो सबै कुरा भइरहेछ नि. सो your romantic health is not correct right now. If your romantic health is not correct right now, how will you take a trade? How can you read the market? How can even you take the trade on the market? It is important that those 12 healths have to be right now that we're discussing on romantic health. For example, there's one more health, material health. अब के हुन्छ material health? तपाईँको दाजु बाहिर काम गर्छ, let's say दुबईमा, साइप्रसमा, and उहाँले एउटा बोनस पायो कि त्यो कम्पनीबाट. And then he called you. He says, "Bhai, bonus sir, I want to buy a gift for you. What do you want?" तपाईँले के भने iPhone 18 हो ल लिएर आउँछु म 10 दिनमा आइरहेको छु, म गएर किनेर म लिएर आउँछु त तेरो लागि iPhone 18. ओके ओके गुड गुड. तपाईँ पनि खुस भए, ए आइफोन दाजु iPhone 18 ल्याइरहेछ मेरो लागि. अब तपाईँ ट्रेडर हो, एउटा तपाईँले ट्रेडिङ गर्न बसेको, चार्ट ओपन छ त दिमागमा के चलिरहेछ दाजुले आइफोन लियो होला अहिलेसम्म कुन कलर लियो होला ए आइफोन 18 को क्यामेरा कति राम्रो हुन्छ नि म त कति रिल्स बनाउँछु त्यो सबै खिचडी दिमागमा किन आउँछ नि दाजु 10 दिनमा लिएर आउँछ नि अहिले किन सोध्नेको अहिले किन सोच्नेको अहिले किन त्यसको आइफोनको माथि आफ्नो सो योर मटेरियल हेल्थ इज नट करेक्ट राइट नाउ you will not be able to take the right trade. You will lose money. So that is again, so the 12 healths in detail. And for each health, हामीहरूको कि त्यो हेल्थ ट्रेडिङमा कुन एस्पेक्टमा काम गर्छ कुन एस्पेक्टमा त्यो प्रब्लम लाउँछ त्यो प्रब्लमलाई कसरी ट्याकल गर्ने त्यो सबै कुरा छ के त्यो हामीहरूको कोर्सको पार्ट हो ल सो विल मुभ फरवर्ड ओके ट्रान्सफर्मेसन न दिस इज वाट वी वान्ट हामीहरू हिमाल नेक्स्टको त्यो कम्प्लिट हो कि आज आइदर यु आर अ न्यू trader want to learn trading or you're a trader who is not doing well, we'll get into a progression into the learning part. सिकाएर फेरि प्र्याक्टिस पनि गराएर कन्फिडेन्स डेभलप गराएर टुवर्ड्स प्रफिटेबिलिटी हामीहरू प्रफिटेबल गर्न सक्दैन तपाईँले किनकि माइन्ड म्यानेजमेन्ट आउट अफ द 3 थिङ्स मेथड म्यानेजमेन्ट मनी म्यानेजमेन्ट माइन्ड म्यानेजमेन्ट आई क्यान टिच train you on method management and money management, but I can only talk about mind management. I can train you on method management and money management. Risk कसरी लेने कति त्यो सबै प्रोसेस के हुन्छ कसरी मार्केट हेर्ने एन्ट्री कता हेर्ने all those we can teach. We will teach obviously. But mind management, like the example I took अहिले न त्यो आइफोनको त्यो त म तपाईले only I can only tell you ना त्यो त प्र्याक्टिस तपाईँले गर्ने हो एन्ड द्याट माइन्ड म्यानेजमेन्ट इज मोर देन 50% अफ द होल ट्रेडिङ जर्नी सो हामीहरू एज हिमाल नेक्स्ट त्यहाँ पुगाउनु सक्छ तपाईँले पर त्यहाँबाट त तपाईँले अगाडि बढ्ने हो नि बिकज द्याट माइन्ड म्यानेजमेन्ट हेज टु बी अप्लाइड ओन्ली बाई यु आई क्यान ओन्ली टेल यु आई क्यान नट ट्रेन यु अन द्याट सो वाट वी टेल यु इफ यु क्यान प्र्याक्टिस द्याट and train yourself. La? So this is the whole game that we want. Now, as I said, method management quickly, method management 15 to 30% हुन्छ basically process. Now, इसमा के छ हामीहरूको एउटा context building को एउटा process छ आफ्नो how you look at the market त्यसमा हामीहरूको KSP गरेर एउटा फ्रेमवर्क छ that we use फेरि एउटा Palvet को गरेर एउटा methodology छ हामीहरूको that we use and entry model को लागि हामीहरूको एउटा OCD model छ के so we use these 3 things to this is apart from what we learn in terms of approaching the market this is the model the context building part because technical indicators smart money concepts to YouTube मा गएर पनि सिक्न सक्छ तपाई but how would you apply them I mean ठीक है YouTube tells you how to apply them, but that is not the way you apply. There is an approach to apply things. So these are those frameworks and those methodologies and the models that how you apply and enter the market. So this is something which differentiates us. हामीहरूको त्यो offering मा त्यो अलिकति differentiate गर्छ हामीहरूले. That these are the models through which you approach. Technical indicators, MACD, RSI. Smart money concepts, order block, FEGs. Everybody knows, no? We teach that. We'll teach them. That's part of the course. But then how would you apply them? Rightfully, how would you apply them? So there, these are tools. Topic Atma. Indicators, tool ho. Price action, tool ho. Smart money concepts, order block, finding it. Those are tools. Those tools have to be utilized for your profitability. For your winning of the trade. So these are certain frameworks. Very important point, time capital. So method management, time capital is extremely crucial. Opportunity should not be missed. Simple. So time pani एउटा capital हो. You cannot, the sit on opportunities. That also we teach. There are a lot of tools how we can use, to capitalize on those opportunities. But time is a capital, no procrastination. हामीहरू बस्न सक्दैन यस्तो गरेर. Opportunity hunting गर्ने हो. त्यो पनि is part of the course. Then there is money management, okay? Money management, as I said, is 15 to 20%. The biggest part of money management is money capital. Preservation. The example, $100 को पहिला $100 तपाईँले एउटा ट्रेडमा लिन सक्दैन. What if you lose? Then you are out of the game. So capital, money capital preserve पनि गर्ने हो. That is the crux of money management. How म आफ्नो capital preserve गर्ने. I may not be making profit, but I should not be losing money also, no? So where and when are the times when I have to say no to a trade? When I see that there's a trade. So I should learn how to say no. Why? Because I have to, preserve my money as capital. So money capital preservation is very important. Mero capital, mero pass huncha money capital. I'll go long now. Otherwise, the trade we are out. So if I want to go long, my focus has to be on preserving my capital and then getting profits. Okay? So, hamero एउटा rule cha mereko financial discipline na, which is 5:1:3. We'll talk on that. That's a very risk management, money management, ani reward management aspect. Then is your mind management, which is almost 50 to 70% of the whole game. I've been talking enough on this. It is the most important aspect, mind management. The most important aspect. Emotional capital discipline is the most important aspect. इसमें मेरो 12 health को मुगोरा करे. We will talk about 12 healths. फिर mind को एउटा code of conduct छ मेरो को. That also we will talk in detail. And there are certain practices and standard operating procedures. कसरी mind management ले approach गर्ने. Because mind management is something, as I said earlier also, no? हजुर. So I can only tell you, but practice तपाईँले गर्ने हो. I can only show you the path. तर त्यो पाथमा चल्ने तपाईँले हो. I can give you tools, I can teach you, I can do all things in money management and method management. तर mind management, I can really tell you. In detail, I can tell you. I can tell you 100 times. I can show you that path. But त्यो पाथमा चल्ने तपाईँले हो. ल? Okay? Now. So now we come back to, okay, there's one last thing. This is 9 steps for continuous success of financial freedom. We will talk about this in our courses, but this is one process that we have. It is a continuous process. You process hamero sikchu kasari to become profitable. This is a discipline basically. Your discipline. Okay? Your financial freedom ko discipline. Might sound a lot of language, English and processes, but this is discipline. Patience and discipline. Lo? So hamero paas kati course ho. Yoda price action and technique analysis ko course cha pata. Then Elliott wave theory cha. Very interesting. Wave theory concept ma ho yo. I'll just show you one. See, most of you know what is price action and technical analysis. Isma hamero apno we give you. Okay, we'll come to that. Then we have smart money concepts course. Very hamero ko apne trading view indicators cha. Tisko pani strategies. Okay. I just showed you SHIB indicator on standard deviation. With some training, you can use that indicator also. Apno trading ko lagi. So त्यो पनि courses छ. अनि हाम्रो flagship जो course छ, that is IFT, Institutional Footprint Trading Mentorship Program. इसमें we use all of this and advance SMC with supply and demand. And इसमें हमें को अपने certain strategies छ जो मेरो सिकान्छु. It's a little longer course, but this is the course you should go for. Mentorship, because this covers everything. This covers के हुन्छ नि, let's say you learn smart money concepts. Good. अपने आप त्यो in itself त्यो पनि sufficient हो. तर you want some confirmations हो नि, because we're talking about money here. I don't want to lose money. So त्यो second confirmation, third confirmation कताबाट हुन्छ? Smart money में तो हुँदैन नि. So maybe I will go into price action technical analysis to get a confirmation. Or I will use Elite Wave to get a second confirmation, third confirmation. So mentorship, IFT mentorship program में क्यों हमें footprint खोजेरा. Footprint क्यों? किनकि market institutions ले run करसा, institutions ले 3 year ले run करसा. So 3 year को footprint हुन्छ क्या? The whole job here is to find that footprint. Once I have found that footprint, I will use advanced concepts to find the footprint and take the opportunity and confirm that opportunity with my other essentials like PATA, EWT, Elite Waves, or SMC concepts. And indicators, obviously. Technical indicators, trading view ko. So that is the mentorship program, okay? So, okay, I'm already kura gal liya PATA ma. So candle science, price action concepts, market concepts. You often, and remember one thing, even if you take any one of the course, they're all sufficient enough for you. But maybe, the win rate could differ depending on what you do and how you approach them. Like PATA ma tapaiko win rate could be any let's say 50%, 60%. Adding Elite Wave on top could be another 10%, maybe. I don't know. It depends how you approach. If we add SMC on top of that, maybe another 20%, 10, 20. So you've come to 60%, 70% maybe, or 50, 40%, from 30, 40% to 60, 70% win rate. If you take IFT as mentorship, so you are already covering a lot of aspects, a lot of confirmations. Because the whole game of trading is patience. Sniper बुझ्छ, स्नाइपर त्यो आर्मीमा स्नाइपर हुन्छ नि, त्यो आर्मीमा एउटा त तपाईको त्यो 3 इयर हुन्छ इन्फेन्ट्री, तर एउटा स्नाइपर हुन्छ. लट अफ हलिउड मुभिजमा तपाईँ स्नाइपरको मुभिजहरू छ राम्रो राम्रो. स्नाइपरले के गर्छ? दे सिट इन वान प्लेस वेटिङ फर द टार्गेट विदाउट moving, almost like statue, for even 3 days, 4 days. No food, no water, no going to washroom, nothing. They wait patiently. Because the moment they get their target, the opportunity, one fire and they kill. We are like that. We have to be patient. But the moment we get that time capital को कुरा गरें method management ma, we have to be patient because time pani capital ho. We cannot lose that capital. So we have to wait patiently. That one opportunity that we get, we must make the kill. Take a good trade and make the kill. Oh, okay. Let's move forward. So setup strategies hamir ko chasma. There are a lot of setup and strategies. We will talk about that. The Elite Wave theory. I'll just show you Elite Wave. I don't know tapirule kati tha cha Elite Wave. But I'll show you something on Elite Wave. Just for example's sake. And Elite Waves wave guideline huncha ramro. This is a very good concept. Very, very interesting concept. I don't think Nepal ma a lot of people teach this, but this is a very good wave theory. Again, mass psychology based. It's all mass psychology, and there are a lot of complications, a lot of strategies inside that. Okay, then smart money concepts. मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर, मार्केट साइकल्स, लिक्विडिटी, इम्ब्यालेन्स हेर्ने, पोइन्ट अफ इन्ट्रेस्ट, त्यो सबै यिनीहरूको पनि सेटअप्सहरू छ हामीहरूकोमा। अनि टेक्निक इन्डिकेटर्समा पनि हामीहरूको आफ्नो सेटअपहरू छ, स्ट्राटेजिज छ। इनसाइड द इन्डिकेटर कसरी युज गर्ने, द्याट वी विल टक। लाइक शिवमा हामीहरू हेरे तो केशवमा पनि हामीहरूको, केशवमा पनि वी हेभ लट अफ 2-3 स्ट्राटेजिज। राधामा, हनुमानमा पनि छ हामीहरूको 2-3 स्ट्राटेजिज। शक्ति इज द एसएमसी indicator that we have. Okay, so even these courses are available, just the indicator courses. You get the indicator, also you get to learn how to use that indicator with the strategies. Then that is our main institutional footprint trading. So apart from that, everything is advanced market courses plus supply demand. This is way advanced than just plain simple smart money concept. Smart money concept नै बेस हो यो, आइसिटी स्मार्ट मनी कन्सेप्टको बेसमा हो यो, तर त्यो बेस एडभान्स फर्ममा हो, प्लस कन्फर्मेसन्सहरू विथ पाटा, विथ एलिड वेभ, विथ टेक्निकल इन्डिकेटर्स इज वाट वी डू. ओके, एडभान्स लिक्विडिटी पनि छ. लिक्विडिटी इज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेन्ट थिङ इन एसएमसी. त्यसमा एडभान्स लिक्विडिटी कन्सेप्ट्सहरू पनि छ. ल, सो द्याट इज अल अबाउट. सो यु क्यान चुज यर सेल्फ वाट यु वान्ट. हामीहरूको वेबसाइटमा तपाईँ himalnext.com आएर तपाईँहरू हेर्नु सक्छ. देयर आर lot of interesting things to happen if you start learning with us, because these are a little different approach that you don't find in the market. I'm sure people are doing, and people are doing a good job. There are a lot of trainers in the market who are doing a very good job, but we have a little different approach. We approach it as science. We don't approach it as just a process. And we look, just not approach it as a science, but we work in the science. Like standard deviation ko kura bane, mass psychology kura bane, how you use mass psychology. There's so much science involved in the whole thing. IFT, that mentorship program, is also science. That is part of the business science. Why institutions leave footprints and how हामीहरूले त्यो footprint खोजेर एउटा high probability trade setup पाउँछ and trade लेने with confirmation. La. So this is मेरो नाम शिव हो. I'm the mentor trainer in Himal Next. मेरो I have a lot of experience. Investment consultancy मा पनि मेरो छ, दुबईमा पनि मेरो कम्पनी छ, यता पनि अहिले म आएँ नेपालमा. अनि I've been an algo trader, so म algo trading को पनि कोर्स लान्छु. Plus I've been a mentor for many years. There are a lot of students who are doing very well. Teaching is my passion, and trading is my job. But teaching is my passion. So whatever strategies I use, I want to teach people, and I've been doing that for many years now. So I hope we meet up in one of the courses. And good luck, all the best. All right. Yes, and if you want the phone numbers, you can call up my team, and if you want to understand something, whatever. And I think I have my number also on the website. If you want to send WhatsApp to understand further, you can always do that. All right. Lajur. Dhanyavad.